Welcome back. I'm Pratap here. Today is 2nd May 2024. In this video, let us find bullish and bearish trade setups for monthly income trade and weekly income trade. Even before that, a small announcement please. If this is your first visit to our channel, please understand we are providing complete free training on supply demand zone price action. And all the training lessons are available in a playlist, Supply Demand Zone Price Action. And you can access the link to this playlist from our NeoStock YouTube channel. Click on this community tab and then click on this YouTube playlist link, Supply Demand Zone Price Action course. Then scroll down to the bottom of this page. Here, starting from lesson 1.1, all the training lessons are available in an order. So please go through all these lessons one by one and strengthen your skills related to supply demand zone price action. I have also provided the link to our Telegram channel in this YouTube video description. So please join in that channel. It will be helpful to you. Each time when we release a new video, we'll provide an update in that channel. Now let's get into the report generation by using NeoStock software. Supply demand zone top down analysis strategy builder. The first report we are going to generate bullish trade setup for monthly income trade. For monthly income trade, entry time frame is daily. For bullish trade setup, entry zone is demand zone. And also the third parameter here, bullish or bearish trade setup, the third row, in daily time frame, select the value bullish, because daily time frame is the entry time frame. Now we can filter the stocks, but I want to add 3 more filters. The first filter is I don't want pierced zones, because we don't trade pierced zones. So here we have a parameter called, the last parameter in this page, pierced count in daily time frame, that is our entry time frame. Set minimum value 0, maximum value 0, which indicates pierced count should be 0. Pierced count 0 means the zone is not pierced. And this parameter is set to the demand zone, because you selected entry zone as a demand zone. So only for demand zone this filter will be applied. Even any filters, they will be applied to demand zones. The second filter is zone achievement. It should be VOZ, violated opposing zone, because we already learned a zone should have violated opposing zone. Then only the zone will be having a confirmation that institutional order flow. And the third parameter is minimum odd enhancer score. For minimum odd enhancer score for bullish or bearish trade setup should be 12. So I set the value 12. Now let us filter the stocks. So total 25 stocks. So total 25 stocks are filtered. See, I'll be giving you only a few seconds time and then move on to the next report. So what you need to do, pause the video. You can study all the columns, all the parameters in this report. And even you can draw the zones in your charts using the column leg in timestamp, leg out timestamp, and base candles, number of base candles. If you are not aware of how to understand this report, please go through the training lesson 21.1, part 1 of lesson 21. I have explained each and everything in detail. But remember, those who want to understand lesson 21.1, you should have the knowledge of demand and supply zone. If you don't have the demand and supply zone knowledge, complete the training lesson starting from lesson 1.1. After completing lesson 20 only, you get into these reports. I'm recommending all the members, you must use software reports only after completing supply demand zone price action course. Okay, let me scroll down. So total 25 stocks are currently supporting bullish trade setup for monthly income trade. Okay, let me go back and generate the next report. Now let us generate the bearish trade setup for monthly income trade. Monthly income trade entry time frame is daily, but bearish trade setup entry zone should be supply zone because we take short trades in supply zone. So that is the entry zone. And one more change we have to do in bullish or bearish trade setup in daily time frame, that is our entry time frame, we need to select the value bearish. And remaining 3 filters we already set, they still remain same. So let us filter, but this time all these filters will be applied to the supply zone because entry zone is supply zone. So let me filter the stocks. 4 stocks are filtered. These 4 stocks are supporting bearish trade setup for a monthly income trade. Okay, now let us generate a bullish and bearish trade setups for a weekly income trade. For weekly income trade, entry time frame is 75 minutes time. So I am selecting 75 minutes. First we will generate bullish trade setup for weekly income trade. So entry zone should be demand zone. And in bullish or bearish trade setup, because now the entry time frame is 75 minutes, for 75 minutes you need to select bullish. And the 3 filters, what we said earlier, same way we have to set, but this time we need to set the filters to 75 minutes. So the P-host count you need to set for 75 minutes time frame, that is our entry, minimum value 0, maximum value 0, that indicates zone is not P-host. P-host count 0 means zone is not P-host. And zone achievement should be VOZ, violated opposing zone, and the minimum odd enhancer score should be 12. Now let us filter. I think now we got 20 stocks. 20 stocks are filtered. These 20 stocks are supporting bullish trade setup for weekly income trade. So you can find the stocks near the demand zones and you can plan the trades. Or even any other stocks close to your entry zone, you can focus on those stocks. So let me scroll down. So total 20 stocks are filtered. These 20 stocks are supporting bullish trade setup for weekly income trade. Now let us generate bearish trade setup for weekly income trade. So entry time frame is 75 minutes, but entry zone is supply zone because it is a bearish trade setup. Even in this parameter also we need to change the value. At 75 minutes we have to select bearish. And all the 3 filters what we set earlier, they still remain same. But these 3 filters are applied to the supply zone this time. So let me filter. 4 stocks are filtered. These 4 stocks are supporting bearish trade setup for weekly income trade. Okay, this is about stocks bullish and bearish trade setup. Now in the final report, let us generate the stop buffers based on daily ATR. So based on daily ATR, I am generating. This is the daily ATR. 15% ATR you have to use it for monthly income trade. 10% ATR you should use it for weekly income trade. And the first 17 in this list are indices, sectorial indices. And remaining all are equity stocks listed in F&O segment. So what I do, I keep on scrolling this list down by giving you only few seconds. Whichever the stock you want to refer, there you please pause the video and refer the values. So let me scroll down. So this is the end of the report. Hope this information will be useful to you for your further study and analysis. Let us all meet again in our next video. Thank you.